Good evening once again. I'm Keith Radford. The controversial New York bail reform law is being questioned by law enforcement now following a Buffalo police chase with a 16-year-old in a stolen vehicle. We need to warn you here that some of this video in this story you may find disturbing. 6 Buffalo police officers are now recovering from minor injuries after a late Monday night chase. The 16-year-old driver involved here already had 3 prior arrests in the last 3 months for stealing vehicles. 7 Eyewitness News senior reporter Eileen Buckley is on the story for us right now.
Part of the incident involving the 16-year-old driver and Buffalo police was captured on this surveillance video. Fortunately, the lieutenant hit by the car door, Nicole Santiago, was not seriously hurt, and police arrested the driver. But the Buffalo Police Union posted this tweet saying the teen behind the wheel had 3 prior arrests in the last 3 months for stolen vehicles. The tweet also states this is further evidence of the failure of bail reform and the danger it poses to our officers and to the public.
It's got to be addressed.
Buffalo Mayor Byron Brown responding to bail reform concerns. The controversial state bail reform law eliminates cash bail for those charged with misdemeanors and nonviolent crimes.
There are major concerns about people who have committed crime, who have committed relatively serious crime, that keep getting released from jail.
Bail reform was created to help eliminate inequity experienced by Black, brown, and the poor who have not committed violent crimes.
Bail reform is really intended to level the playing field.
Mayor Brown's Democratic primary opponent, India Walton, worked on bail reform as an organizer. Walton says if the teen was a wealthy person and could afford to post bail for the crime, he would be back out on the streets.
If a person is that much of a danger to our community, there are still mechanisms where they can be remanded without the use of cash bail.
And what would that be so that citizens understand that?
The judge can say that this person is too dangerous to be out until they go to trial. And it's up to the discretion of both the prosecutors and the judge to make that decision.
Mayor Brown says he has heard repeated concerns about bail reform from district attorneys, the police union, and police management.
We've heard from the police management that they have locked up people for serious offenses multiple times, and due to bail reform, they have gotten out multiple times.
But Walton says when it comes to teens, these young defendants should be offered support services and someone to try to make sure they stay on a straight path. A strategy the police union says is not always working. In Buffalo, Eileen Buckley, 7 Eyewitness News.